C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T, then N-I-N-O-P-L-E, Constantinople. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-O-P-L-E, Constantinople. It's as easy to sing it as saying your ABC. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-O-P-L-E. Show your pluck, now try your luck and sing it loud with me. Constantinople. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-O-P-L-E.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, pupils. I want you boys to know I'm proud I'm teacher of this school.
Oh, teacher, what's the lessons for today?
The lessons for today is just a word that's bountiful. It's Constantinople.
Oh, that's easy, teacher.
Is that so? If you think it's easy, go ahead.
Oh, teacher, I forgot the word you said.
See that?
C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-O-P-L-E.
Then
It's as easy to sing it as saying your ABC. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-O-P-L-E. Show your pluck, now try your luck and sing it loud with me. Constantinople. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-O-P-L-E. What's the matter, Clarence? You didn't spell Constantinople.
Oh, teacher, I brought you a nice red apple.
All right, you can spell turkey. And you, Sammy, you didn't spell Constantinople.
Look, teacher, I brought you a nice watermelon.
All right, you can spell cat.
Oh, teacher, can you spell Constantinople?
Certainly.
Then why do you ask me?
You're too smart. Just for that, spell Anna for Justine.
Oh, teacher, I'd rather spell Constantinople.
Constantinople. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-O-P-L-E. Constantinople. It's as easy to sing it as saying your ABC. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-O-P-L-E. Show your pluck, now try your luck and sing it loud with me. Constantinople. C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-I-N-O-P-L-E.
This record sung by
Anna, Wheel, and Herman, California hummingbird.